Hi, I am Omid. In this video you can find how to move a sheet tab, change color of a sheet tab, and hide and unhide the sheet. Let's do it. In this document I have 3 sheet tabs, but they are not sorted as I want. I want this tab to be here, between these two. So I drag and move this tab here and drop. I want to change the color of this tab. So right click on it and choose a color. The color of this tab changed. If you don't want to change it or want to remove the color of it, right click on it again and click on reset. Sometimes you need to hide a sheet. For doing that, right click on it and select hide sheet. It hides a sheet. If you want to unhide it, then click on all sheets and select the sheet in gray. It unhides the sheet. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, liking, and turning on notifications. Thanks for watching.